Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel auto payment on Netflix. So let's get started. So now here we are on netflix.com, and from here what you want to do is log into your account first. Once you're logged in, you want to click on your profile right here on the top right and click here on account. Click here. And then from here, you'd be able to see your membership, and then you have your change plan, you have your payment method, and so on. So what you basically want to do is you want to click here on manage membership. And from here, you basically want to cancel your membership right here. In this way, Netflix will not be able to charge you for payment because your membership is canceled right here. Or you could just remove your payment method right here by clicking here and clicking here on remove. So this is the only way that you can cancel auto payment here at Netflix. There are also other features like you can change your billing date if you need that, but it's not available for me. So this is the only solution that is 100% effective in canceling the auto payment in Netflix, because as long as you have the payment method right here and it has money in it or had some balance, then Netflix would charge you as soon as your membership would expire. So that is basically it for this video on how you can cancel Netflix auto payment. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.